Hello and welcome. If you have ever felt nervous, confused, or unsure about what to say at the airport when speaking English, then this lesson is exactly what you need today. In this video, you are going to learn 100 useful, real-life English sentences that people actually use at the airport, from check-in, security, and boarding, all the way to arriving and collecting your luggage. These are not just short textbook sentences. These are natural, long, conversational sentences that will help you sound more confident and more fluent when you travel. Even if you are a beginner or intermediate learner, don't worry. Just listen carefully, repeat after us, and practice every day. You don't need perfect English. You just need clear, confident English that helps you communicate in real situations. Before we start, make sure you are ready to listen, repeat, and practice. Try to imagine yourself at the airport while you listen to these sentences. This will help your brain learn faster and remember longer. Let's get started and help you travel with English confidently.
100 Essential Airport English Sentences. Hi, I would like to check in for my international flight, and I just want to make sure that all my travel documents are correct and ready. I booked my ticket online last week, but I want to confirm that my seat and luggage allowance are included. I arrived early because I always worry about traffic and long lines at the airport. Could you please tell me where I can print my boarding pass if I cannot find the self-service machine? I have one large suitcase and one carry-on bag because I prefer to keep my important items with me.
I packed my suitcase carefully, but I am still worried that it might be slightly overweight. Could you please explain the baggage rules again, because I want to be sure I understand correctly. I prefer a window seat because I enjoy looking outside and it helps me feel relaxed during flights. If possible, I would like to sit near the front because I want to leave the plane quickly after landing. This is my first international trip alone, so I might ask many questions because I want to be sure.
Could you please show me where the security check area is? Because this airport is very large. I want to make sure I follow all security rules because I don't want to cause any delays. Do I need to remove my shoes, jacket, and belt before walking through the scanner? Should I take my laptop and liquids out of my bag and place them in a separate tray? I sometimes feel nervous during security checks, so I appreciate clear instructions.
I am carrying some medicine with me, and I want to make sure it is allowed on the plane. I want to follow all the rules because safety is very important for everyone. Thank you for explaining everything clearly because it helps me feel less stressed. I always double-check my pockets because I don't want to forget anything metal. I prefer to arrive early so I can go through security without feeling rushed.
Could you please tell me where I can find my departure gate? Because I want to confirm that this is the correct gate for my flight because I am traveling alone. I usually stay close to the gate because I am afraid of missing announcements. I want to buy coffee, but I don't want to go too far from the gate. Could you please tell me when boarding will start?
I like to board early so I can find space for my carry-on bag. I prefer to sit down and relax while waiting for boarding. Airports can be very busy, so I always listen carefully for announcements. I like to charge my phone before boarding because I use it during the flight. I usually message my family before boarding to tell them I am okay.
Excuse me, could you help me find my seat? Because I think I am in the wrong row. I prefer to put my bag above my seat so I can reach it easily. Could you please help me lift my suitcase into the overhead compartment? I am feeling a little cold, so could I please have a blanket? Could I please have some water because I feel a little dehydrated? I usually drink water during flights because the air is very dry. Could you please tell me when the meal will be served? I sometimes feel nervous during takeoff, but I try to stay calm. I like to listen to music during flights because it helps me relax. I usually try to sleep during long flights to pass the time faster. Could you please wake me up before landing if I fall asleep? I sometimes walk around the plane because sitting too long is uncomfortable. I always follow seatbelt instructions because safety is very important. I usually watch movies during long flights to stay entertained. I like sitting near the window because I enjoy the view.
I sometimes talk to passengers sitting next to me. I always thank the flight attendants because they work very hard. I usually stretch my legs carefully when allowed. I try to stay calm even if the flight has turbulence. I usually check my arrival time during the flight.
I am happy we landed safely because long flights can be tiring. I want to follow signs to passport control. I prepared my passport before reaching the officer. I want to answer questions clearly and politely. I am visiting for tourism and I plan to stay for 1 week. I have already booked my hotel. I am visiting my family and I am very excited. I always keep my documents ready. I try to stay calm while waiting in line. I respect all travel rules.
Could you tell me where baggage claim is? I want to find the correct belt for my luggage. I am worried because my suitcase has not arrived yet. My suitcase is black with a red tag. I hope my luggage was not delayed. Could you help me report missing luggage? I have important items inside my suitcase. I hope my bag arrives soon. I always check the luggage tag. I usually take a photo of my suitcase.
Could you tell me where I can exchange money? I want to buy a local SIM card. I want to find a taxi to the city center. I want safe and official airport transport. Could you tell me the taxi price?
I want to avoid taxi scams. I want to reach my hotel safely. I want to confirm my hotel address. I saved my hotel location on my phone. I want to contact my family after arrival.
I always keep emergency contacts saved. I feel happy after arriving safely. Traveling helps me learn about new cultures. I like meeting new people. Traveling helps improve my English. I usually speak English whenever possible. I am not afraid of making mistakes. Practice helps me improve speaking. I watch English videos daily. I repeat sentences to improve fluency.
I want to travel more in the future. English helps me travel confidently. I feel proud when I speak English. I want to become fluent. I practice English every day. I listen to English podcasts. I try to think in English. I enjoy learning new words. I want to speak naturally and confidently. I believe daily practice will help me speak English fluently.
And that's it. You just learned 100 useful and real-life English sentences for the airport. Remember, you don't need to memorize everything perfectly the first time. The most important thing is to listen, repeat, and practice every day, because real confidence in English comes from using the language again and again in real situations. Try to watch this lesson multiple times, pause the video, repeat the sentences out loud, and imagine yourself actually speaking at the airport. The more you practice, the more natural and comfortable your English will sound. If this lesson helped you, don't forget to subscribe to English Practice Daily, like this video, and write a comment telling us which sentence was the most useful for you. Also, check out our other lessons if you want to keep improving your English faster and speak more confidently in real life. You are learning, you are improving, and you are closer to speaking fluent English than you think. See you in the next lesson. Keep practicing, keep speaking, and never give up. Bye!